Just topping up our card. Thank you. Very easy. So you just hand over your money and they'll just top it up for you, and they'll give you a little receipt how much balance you have. We've got 262 baht. Every time you use it at one of these shops, they'll give you another receipt so you can keep a tally on how much you've got left. This is our favourite drink lady. We always get our drinks from this lady. Can we get two Pepsi diet and a iced tea with ice? Thank you. That's all you do. Coffee card, thank you. Free, please. Look at them chilies, Muzz. Thank you. You can dip them in some boiling water for that extra cleanliness.
Okay folks, now what I've got here is a very popular Thai dish. It's simply rice with pork, slices of pork, as you can see here. This is a crunchy one, and this is a bit of fat. The fat's a bit of a delicacy. I don't normally get it, but the fat's a bit of a delicacy. There's some pickled vegetable, and then there's a green vegetable there. Very basic Thai dish, very delicious. It's not spicy, so the idea behind this one is if you want it spicy, you just add some spices that the seller would have at the stall. Generally a dried chili, and there's a bit of sauce with it that comes with it too.
This lady's just a new stall that's opened up here. She's got massamum curry and satay. I did try it the other day and it's very nice, so we'll show you what it is. Sawadee-ka. Can I get the chicken satay? This one, yeah. Chicken, thank you. What's the word for chicken? Gai. Gai. She's got all these little tasty bits in there too. So that's saffron rice. No, turmeric rice. Peanut sauce is one of my ultimate favourite sauces. Car. Some stalls take cash still, but they'll let you know. Thank you so much. Thank you. You'll be a star. You too. Now just check out this dish here. This cost 60 baht, which is what, about $2? $2.50 at the moment. There's got this delicious peanut sauce, and this is chili, onion and cucumber, and they put a sweet vinegar in there. It's absolutely delicious. And then we've got the chicken and the turmeric rice.
So actually the chilies aren't that hot, are they, in that salad there?
No, but I still give them to Muzz and I'll eat the onion. And the onion I think is quite hot, but that's okay. It's just delicious.
Yeah, it's so cheap.
think you need a few more than that, Muzzy. That's not enough.
I'm having a kind of Chinese noodles. They call it Simlik noodles, which is glass noodles, the thin one, and fish balls. Was that fish balls or chicken balls? Yeah, it was fish balls. I added a lot of extra spice here. You just as you want. Like it shouldn't be